Okay, we're gonna put 100 layers of my mom's lip gloss. Okay, let's put one layer. I'm just gonna make so you guys can have it faster. I did literal 20 layers and it's already glossy. This is 30 layers. So glossy, so sticky. I'm doing this for you guys, so you guys better subscribe or like the short. Okay, this is 40 layers. You better hit that subscribe button and like the short. 50 layers, please send help. 70 layers, 90 layers, please send help, please. 100 layers, please send help. And like and subscribe. If this video gets 10,000 likes, I will make a video with 1,000 layers. A full-on video. Bye!